I'm Diane Garrett, President and CEO of Hycroft Mining. I'm excited to talk to you today about Hycroft, one of the world's largest precious metals deposits. We have a substantial gold and silver resource in the Tier 1 jurisdiction of Nevada, USA. But not only that, this last year has been a game changer for the company, as we have had not one but two very high-grade discoveries, which happen to be silver dominant. We're also advancing all the technical studies for the next phase of operations and milling. We have $175 million in cash and soon to become over $200 million with the exercise of warrants. And our management team and board has a long and successful history of creating value for our shareholders. We are located in the Tier 1 jurisdiction of Nevada in the northwestern corner, a very favorable jurisdiction for mining. We have over 10 million ounces in the M&I category of gold with an additional 361 million ounces M&I of silver. But this was a resource calculated in 2023 and does not include all of the high grade that we have been identifying over the last 14 months. That new resource will come out in the first quarter of 26. An overview of the project site is a phenomenally large footprint. We have 64,000 acres of land, and the resource sits on only 10% of that land position. Because we're a brownfields property, we have a significant amount of infrastructure from the prior operation. And this is an overview of our land position, and the blue line is just demonstrating that that is the current resource of over 10 million ounces of gold, over 350 million ounces of silver, and there is lots of opportunity to expand and grow that resource. The infrastructure we have on site is a fully operational lab, truck shop, engineering buildings, all of the admin buildings necessary. We have 3 stages of crushing. On the right-hand side, you're seeing one of the world's largest primary crushers. We also have 2 Merrill-Crowe processing facilities and a new leach pad ready to go, because even though we are transitioning to a milling sulfide operation, we will still have leach operations continuing for about the first 10 years of the mine life. But what's remarkable about what we've done over the last couple of years is to have identified 2 very significant high-grade silver discoveries, the best grades and the best drill holes that have ever been seen in this project's 40-year history. And the blue that you're looking at here is just showing you the trend of these high-grade systems that sit beneath the Brimstone and the Vortex deposits. And if we look at it underground, this is what it looks like. This is the result of just 14 months of drilling. We've got 3 rigs on site right now. We're expecting a couple of more in 2026. And this is growing significantly with every drill hole we put into the system. For 2026, we've completed all the final metallurgical results on POX. We're also looking at roasting, because that could add a 3rd revenue stream through the production of sulfuric acid. We will have an updated resource out in the first quarter of 26, followed by a technical report with economics. We are looking at a potential to restart the heap leach operation in these higher commodity price environments. We've got a robust exploration drill program going on with continuous drill news flow, and you will see that we are growing these high-grade systems. And as always, we want to maintain safety and our ESG performance. We have an enviable safety record on the project site, and we're very pleased with our current shareholder registry. Eric Sprott owning about 35% of the company, BlackRock just shy of 10%, a world-class registry. That, combined with a phenomenal balance sheet, a team that's highly experienced, and a very attractive asset in the best jurisdiction, we believe that Hycroft is the right opportunity, the right time, the right mine to be invested in the company.